Hi there, it's me, Gorgeous Disgrace, and I really like the angle I'm filming at. It's the same angle I usually film at, but feels, there we go, different. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm usually like back here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an eye look inspired by characters, multiple characters from Love Live Sunshine. This is a 9-part episode. This is a series. And I'm just going to be showing you eye looks inspired by the characters from Love Live Sunshine. Like Chika, Yoshiko, Mari, Daya. And in this first video, this first installment? Yeah. I'm going to be starting off with Chika because she's our first character. And I thought it'd be great to start off with our center, our leader first. And as you can see, I got a poster right there from Nayuki Draws, who is amazing! I freaking love her. So the colors that I feel like I'm mostly going to want to use in this tutorial is orange, blue, yellow, and green. Because those seems like the majority of colors that she uses in the series. Mostly the Mijuki Dreamer, that video, because I feel like all the colors that they have in that PV are the colors that work best on them. So let's get into it. So I'm going to be using these two Makeup Forever palettes because I saw them and I was like, okay, these will work. My dog's back. So I wanted to start off with this orange, but it's looking weirdly pink in the light. Like, it's orange. And it's the perfect orange that will match Chika's look. And I've put concealer on my eyes. So what I'm doing with this orange, is going to put this a little bit lower so you can mostly see. Going to go in a little bit on the camera. And just softly putting that orange into my crease. A lot like the video, This Is My Face, I Help Her Makeup video. So just blending that orange in. I have a couple more oranges that I will blend in just so it gets a little bit dark. So I can make it a little bit more darker. And I'm going into this orange by Sephora. Oh, what was that orange in here called? It's called 1804. Taking this orange by Sephora. It is called Candy Crush Pop and 17. And I just want to make it a little bit more darker. My eyebrows and all that is done from earlier. So, and I'm just going to blend under my eye a little bit too. Yeah, orange, blue, and yellow are mostly her colors. So next I'm going to go into this blue from the Makeup Forever Artist Shadow 3 palette. Me 230, just in the corner, just on the edge of my eye here. Blending that upward. I just want it to be right at the edge of my eye. So I'm going to be doing this for all the girls. Should I cut this with some concealer? Yeah, I do want to do kind of a cut crease. So I'm going into my Covergirl and you'll walk. Covergirl Invisible 115 Fair. So there, we got a cut crease going on. Cut crease going on. And I'm just gonna take this. So to achieve this look, you mostly only just need 3 colors, orange, blue, and yellow. Okay, and next we are going into, wrong palette, going into this palette here. Taking that brush, I put my concealer on, and I'm just gonna put, oh, I'm like literally covering up what I'm doing. And I'm gonna go back into this orange right here. Just because, you know, she has orange hair. I want that orange to be standing out. Like, I really want that you can see the orange. So I'm just blending it right up top there and right bottom. And because Chika is so bright and fun, I don't think we need eyeliner. I want my eyes to be like bright and smoky and fun, which is what like Chika's look is. Just gonna blend that down the nose. And here we go. This eye always does this. I don't know why. Let's just do a little extra bit of blending. But yeah, we got orange, yellow, and blue going on. Our girl Chika's colors. So yes, thanks for coming to my first ever video in my Love Live Sunshine makeup look tutorial. I hope to see you in another video. Thanks for coming. Bye!